Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to underline call to action text of a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply created a section and added a button in that particular section. Now I just want to underline this click to action call to action text, right? So for editing the button, you just need to move your cursor over the button and you can simply click on the pen icon present in the top right corner, and in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there is an option of style setting. You just need to go to the style setting and then click on typography, and here you need to scroll down, and in the decoration option you can simply select underline. So this is how you can add underline to your call to action text of a button in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.